So I have like two Telegram channel. One is free Telegram channel where I give free signals to whoever is inside that free Telegram channel, and another is a VIP Telegram channel where we do VIP copy trading by using the social trading features inside pocket option. So what happened, I have just added a new service in my VIP copy trading channel, and that is about compounding. Okay, compounding simply means investing $1 making it 2, and investing $2, okay, making it 4, again investing that $4 making it 8. Okay, and continuously doing that until we reach a certain amount. So but what happened today was like I made a trade $1 and it was I lose that trade, okay, instantly. And again I decided to go with another $1, again that trade also lose. Now I was using this strategy that was a proven strategy for compounding, okay, which I have been teaching inside my YouTube channel also. And the strategy is extremely simple. We just select all of these currency pair that are like 92% payout, okay, and put all of those currency pair at here, and we just select S30 candlestick chart, okay, and then we, if it is clock, we make it flag and then select S30, okay, and then we put the amount to invest at here. Now by doing this I continuously lost two trades. So what I decided to do is I decided to modify a little bit this strategy, and I did nothing great, okay, just I made this candlestick of M1 to test it, okay, if I could get few trades right. And then I was able to get continuously few trades right, okay, which I have recorded and I'll show you after some time, okay. And one most important thing, I will also attach, sorry, I will also put at the end of this video, I'll also put a video in the screen where you can watch how I was able to turn $1 into $68, okay, by using S30 candlestick and this 30-second time frame, okay. I'll put that at the end of this video. So now if you are thinking to get some profitable free signals, then you can join my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this YouTube video. And if you want to do copy trading, okay, by following my trades, okay, by automatically copying with the social trading feature of pocket option, then you can join my VIP copy trading by following the instruction that is given in this free Telegram channel, okay. Whenever you join, you will instantly see all of those instructions, okay. You can follow it and get entry in my VIP copy trading too. Now I'll just keep quiet and show you that exact video, and after that video will end, okay, whenever that video will end where I have turned $1 into 13 or something like that dollar, okay, you watch that video properly to train your unconscious mind or conscious mind, okay, so that you can replicate that exact strategy to do compounding for yourself, okay. And then at the end, when that another video appears, you click on it and watch that video too, okay. This is extremely important. I'm like keep on recreating this video because it is working, okay, at the current situation. So you need to watch this and implement it, okay. If you are afraid to even risk $1, then you can test it in your demo account, but I would suggest you to test it in real account because the risk is only for $1, okay. So now I'll keep quiet, watch this video.